The mirrorless camera industry has been buzzing with speculation, and one name keeps popping up in every discussion: the Nikon Z90. This rumored camera has become the center of wild excitement among photographers, content creators, and Nikon loyalists who have been eagerly waiting for a new APS-C powerhouse. If the leaks and whispers are to be believed, the Z90 will represent a bold step forward for Nikon, bridging the gap between professional performance and compact usability. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know, from rumored specifications and design choices, to comparisons with Nikon's existing Z lineup, pricing possibilities, and the potential release date. By the end, you'll have a full picture of what could easily become one of the most talked about cameras of the year. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Before exploring the Z90, it's important to understand Nikon's recent journey. The company has made significant strides in its mirrorless lineup. Cameras like the Nikon Z9 revolutionized the high-end market with a stacked full-frame sensor, blazing fast performance, and 8K recording. The Z8 brought many of those flagship features into a smaller body, while the retro-styled Nikon ZF reminded photographers of Nikon's heritage while packing modern tech. In the APS-C world, Nikon's Z50 and ZF-C have served enthusiasts well, while the Z30 catered directly to vloggers. However, Nikon has been missing something crucial: a true high-performance APS-C mirrorless camera for action, wildlife, and sport shooters who prefer the crop sensor advantage. This is where the Z90 rumor storm makes sense. It could be the long-awaited answer to Canon's EOS R7 and Sony's A6700. The Nikon Z90 is expected to follow Nikon's professional-grade body design philosophy, offering a rugged, weather-sealed chassis. Leaks suggest that the Z90 will be slightly larger than the Z50 but smaller than the Z8, striking a balance between portability and professional handling. Many expect the Z90 to feature deep grip for comfortable handling with long telephoto lenses, dual card slots, likely CF Express Type A or SD UHS-2, catering to professionals, tilting or fully articulating LCD for hybrid creators who switch between photography and video, high-resolution EVF with fast refresh rates for sports tracking. If Nikon positions the Z90 as an APS-C mini Z8, it could be the perfect tool for photographers who need speed and reliability without the bulk of a full-frame flagship. One of the most intriguing questions is what kind of sensor the Z90 will use. Rumors point towards a new stacked APS-C sensor with a resolution between 26 MP and 33 MP. This would make it competitive with Canon's R7 and give it enough detail for cropping while maintaining excellent low-light performance. Expected improvements include BSI, backside illuminated, designed for better dynamic range and cleaner images at high ISO. Native ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable further. 14-bit RAW shooting with fast burst performance. Enhanced X8 processor or a next-gen chip derived from the Z9 for faster image pipeline. If Nikon integrates stacked sensor technology, the Z90 could have minimal rolling shutter and excellent readout speeds, which would make it a dream for action and wildlife photographers. The Nikon Z90 is rumored to feature advanced autofocus technology similar to what we see in the Z8 and Z9.